A Chiredzi resident was wanted by police over remarks allegedly directed at President Emmerson Mnangagwa and businessman Wikino Chivayo on Tuesday voluntarily surrendered to authorities. Zarabina Mashukubuda Pangwa in a police arrest vendor for exposing Mnangagwa Chivayo insensitivity to citizen suffering. To subscribe or like on the video. What's up now? It widely circulated on social media. Did you wanna kuti there was this resident wekuchiredzi anobuda pacheda achinyaso kuonesa reality varume vari kutungamira nyika ino achionesa kuti aiwa you people you failed. Mono kwa mchinzi tafadzwa Nelson Chamisa handed himself over at Chiredzi police station accompanied by his legal representative Martin Mureri. His surrender comes after police launched a public appeal for information that could lead to his arrest. Chamisa is accused of referring to President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Chivayo's dogs in the wake of the demolition of vending stores in Chiredzi, comments that reportedly triggered criminal investigations. Earlier on Tuesday, the Zimbabwe Republic Police issued a public notice seeking assistance from members of the public to locate the men in courts. The ZVAITWA is appealing for information which may assist in the location and subsequent arrest of a suspect identified as Tafadzwa Nelson Chamisa 32 of house number 1267 Njojorinjo Road, Chiredzi, who is being sought in connection with ongoing criminal investigations. Anyone with information to report at any nearest police station or contact the National Complaints Desk or WhatsApp on. The case has drawn significant public attention, particularly amid growing tensions surrounding the demolition of informal trading stores in Chiredzi. Toma developments are pangwa ino. Board zema fumuro in more kudipa msuro vichitu page. Don't subscribe or like, punch down the bell icon.